Welcome to another video. We're going to see how to use Playground AI to create a logo for free. So just type in Playground on Google search. Then click on the first result there. So to log in, you have to create a free account. We already have a registered account, so we head over to our account dashboard. So this is it. You can create a logo and other designs listed. Since we are creating a logo, click Logo to proceed. You have the premium versions, and the free versions. We are going to search for a free version. So we're going to scroll to see and select one of the logos. And reconfigure to our taste. So let's scroll through and see the one that fits what we want. So let's use one of these here. Click on Vintage to see what fits. This is a free logo. So let's select it. So we are going to use prompts to change the text and image in the logo. The prompt is change text to Digicitor and inside text to do it yourself and change image to hands on a laptop. These are our prompts. Click Create to continue. So this is the output of the logo we just created. It can still be tweaked further. You can change the color of the logo here. The first preset is the default. Let's change the color to blue and see how it turns out. So this is how it is now. You can also resize the logo here to the size you desire. We are going to export the logo. Click Export. You can upscale it. These are premium features, so we're going to download it now. So, this is the logo we just created with Playground AI. There are other features of the program you can use to design. You can design poster, wallpaper, cards, ebook cover, social media post, YouTube thumbnail and other features. All you need to do is to use the search bar for what you want to design and use the required prompt. So thank you for watching.